In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers to your document in Microsoft Word. So assuming I have these 3 pages, this is page 1, page 2, page 3, and I intend to add page numbers to this, all I need to do is to come to Insert over here, and you can see page number over here. So you can go over here and click page number, can check the format or remove page number. So you can just click on page number here, page number, and this dialog is going to appear. The position and alignment, the position, is it bottom, top? Let's say I want it at the bottom, and then the alignment, you want it side, outside, center. Let's say we want it center, and then show number on first page. If you want to show it, you can enable, or if you don't want, you can disable. You can come to format here, and you can specify the numbering style. Is it the Roman numeral, the ABC, or the 1, 2, 3, depending. So include chapter number if you want to include as well, and then you can separate that with a hyphen. Continue from previous sections. You can start at which page you can define. So once you're okay with all this definition and you click on OK, this is now going to add in page numbers to your document. You can see we have here page 1, you can have here page 2, and you can have here page 3 as well. So if you want to remove the page numbers, you can always come over to the same insert, come to page numbers, but then you click on this arrow and say remove page number, and you can see all the page numbers are gone. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.